Resplendent Quetzal. The resplendent quetzal, a bird celebrated for its extraordinary beauty, is a species that evokes wonder and fascination. Native to the cloud forests of Central America, particularly in Guatemala and Costa Rica, the quetzal is often regarded as one of the most beautiful birds in the world. This essay delves into the biology, habitat, behavior, cultural significance, and conservation status of the resplendent quetzal, providing a comprehensive understanding of this magnificent species. Biology and physical characteristics. The resplendent quetzal is a member of the trogon family, known for their colorful plumage and unique characteristics. Quetzals are medium-sized birds, with males measuring about 36-40 height in length, excluding the tail, which can add an additional 65 cm. Females are slightly smaller, measuring around 32-35 feet in length. Male quetzal. The male quetzal is renowned for its vibrant plumage, which features a striking combination of green, red, and blue feathers. The head, neck, and upper breast are covered in iridescent green feathers that shimmer in the light. The belly is bright red, creating a vivid contrast. One of the most distinctive features of the male is its long, flowing tail feathers, which can extend up to 3 feet beyond the body. These tail feathers are particularly prominent during the breeding season, when males use them in elaborate courtship displays. Female quetzal. The female quetzal, while less flamboyant than the male, is still remarkably beautiful. She has a more subdued coloration, with green upper parts and a grayish-brown belly. The female's tail feathers are shorter and lack the dramatic length of the male's. This dimorphism helps females remain less conspicuous, especially when nesting and caring for their young. Quetzals possess a broad curved bill, which is yellow in males and more muted in females. Their feet are small and weak, adapted for perching rather than walking. The eyes of the quetzal are large and dark, providing excellent vision in the dim light of the cloud forest. Habitat and distribution. Resplendent quetzals are primarily found in the montane cloud forests of Central America, ranging from southern Mexico to western Panama. They inhabit elevations between 1,000 and 3,000 meters, where the dense, humid forests provide the ideal environment for their survival. Breeding habitat. During the breeding season, which typically occurs from March to June, quetzals prefer areas with dense canopy cover and abundant epiphytes. They nest in tree cavities, often using holes created by woodpeckers or natural crevices. These nesting sites offer protection from predators and the elements. Feeding habitat. Quetzals feed primarily on fruits, particularly those of the Lauraceae family, such as wild avocados. They are also known to consume insects, small amphibians, and lizards. Their foraging behavior involves perching quietly in the canopy and swooping down to pluck fruits or capture prey. This migration ensures that they have access to a continuous supply of fruit throughout the year. Behavior and ecology. Resplendent quetzals are known for their secretive and elusive nature, making them a challenging species to observe in the wild. Their behavior and ecological interactions are complex and fascinating. Feeding behavior. Quetzals are primarily frugivorous, with a diet consisting mainly of fruits. They play a crucial role in their ecosystem by acting as seed dispersers. After consuming fruits, they regurgitate the seeds, facilitating the growth of new plants. This mutualistic relationship benefits both the quetzals and the forest. Breeding and nesting. The breeding behavior of the resplendent quetzal is a remarkable spectacle. Males perform elaborate displays to attract females, showcasing their long tail feathers and vibrant plumage. These displays involve a series of aerial acrobatics, including swooping and gliding, accompanied by soft vocalizations. Once a pair has formed, the female selects a suitable nesting site. Both parents participate in excavating and preparing the nest cavity, using their bills to remove debris and shape the interior. The female typically lays 2 eggs, which both parents incubate for about 17-19 days. After hatching, the chicks are altricial, meaning they are born helpless and require extensive parental care. Both parents take turns feeding the chicks with regurgitated fruit and insects until they are ready to fledge at around 23-31 days old. Social structure. Outside the breeding season, quetzals are generally solitary or found in pairs. They communicate using a variety of vocalizations, including soft whistles and calls. These vocalizations are used to maintain contact with mates and signal alarm when predators are nearby. Cultural significance. The bird's iridescent green feathers were highly prized and used in ceremonial headdresses and garments. It is the national bird of Guatemala and is featured on the country's flag and coat of arms. The Guatemalan currency is also named the Quetzal in honor of this magnificent bird. The Quetzal continues to inspire art, literature, and conservation efforts, representing the natural beauty and cultural heritage of the region. Conservation status. Despite its revered status, the resplendent Quetzal faces significant conservation challenges. The destruction of cloud forests reduces the availability of nesting sites and food sources, making it difficult for quetzals to survive and reproduce. Climate change. Changes in climate patterns can disrupt the delicate balance of cloud forest ecosystems. Altered precipitation and temperature regimes can affect the availability of fruits and other food sources, impacting quetzal populations. Its vibrant plumage, fascinating behaviors, and deep cultural significance make it a cherished species in Central America. However, the challenges it faces highlight the importance of conservation efforts to protect its habitat and ensure its survival. Through international cooperation, public awareness, and dedicated conservation initiatives, we can hope to secure a future where the resplendent Quetzal continues to thrive in the wild, enchanting generations to come with its timeless elegance.